Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2025 speaking topic. So let's look at the topic. Describe a famous person you would like to meet. You should say who he or she is, how you knew him or her, how or where you would like to meet him or her, and explain why you would like to meet him or her. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Meetings help in learning more about the people around us and assist to expand our horizons and understand the bigger picture of life as a whole. And today, I would like to speak about the famous Canadian singer Justin Bieber, whom I would like to meet. So now let's take a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you are stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order it now on Amazon. Link is shared in the description. Now let's continue with the cue card. Moreover, I first saw the pop singer performing at a concert held in Toronto in 2018 and since then have become a huge fan of his mellifluous voice. So mellifluous means having a melodious voice, having a sweet or a beautiful voice. Furthermore, Bieber had debuted with his super solo song Baby when he was merely 15 years old, which caught attention not just in North America but all around the world as well. I would like to meet him in his recording studio as he is also involved in the songwriting process and co-writes a lot of his own music while teaming up with other songwriters and professional producers. The Hollywood style icon has his unique fashion quotient, having skater looks or wearing sporting western wear. Besides that, he has bagged a lot of music awards during his entire career and has been nominated several times for the Grammys Award, out of which he bagged a couple of Grammy Awards as well. Bagged means won. Past tense of win is won, W-O-N. Finally, I would like to meet him to know how he keeps himself grounded and maintains such humble demeanor every single day despite all the global craze, and would also like to obtain insights about his upcoming projects and releases. So grounded means someone who is staying down to earth. Humble means kind. Demeanor means behavior or manner. And insights means to gain more knowledge or information. Thank you for your time, everyone.